Hello everyone, thanks for tuning in. Today I'm going to be doing a frontal wig install. This is my first time attempting a frontal. I was super nervous, but it actually turned out to be really cute. So you just saw me putting some edge control on her edges and brushing it back and getting a stocking cap to match her skin. Then I'm going to be taking some Got To Be gel and putting it across her edges and going over that with some Got To Be freeze spray. So now that I sprayed the Got To Be all over her hairline, I'm going to go ahead and cut her ears out of the cap, or out of the stocking, and then I'm going to go over with the blow dryer just to make sure that everything gets hard and it won't move while she's wearing her install. As far as lace tint, I sprayed the lace tint on her cap and I sprayed it on the underside of the wig. I've never done that before, but I figured it will work just like makeup. So I'm rubbing 91% alcohol on her forehead just to make sure that area is clean before I apply the glue. I'm using Ghost Bond glue right now. I've used 3 layers. I don't really remember how many layers I put or showed in the video. I think I did 2. But I'm just going to rub it in with my popsicle stick till it turns white, and then I'll be ready to apply the wig. After I finish smearing the glue in, making sure that it turns clear, I'll go ahead and apply her wig. She has colored this wig herself, and she's also constructed the wig herself. This is actually a wig that she had used before, so I had a little bit of a hard time sticking it, but I still was able to get it to stick to her head, even though it took a little longer than it should have. And yeah, so just watch me go ahead and get this glue in. After I get it in, I'm going to go back in and lift up the pieces that didn't stick in the front and just apply some glue there, and then go over with the blow dryer. So as I already said, I was having a hard time getting the wig to stick into the glue, being that she's already worn this wig before. So I just decided to take the Ghost Bond and pull up the areas that did not stick and add more Ghost Bond to those areas. Now I'm just using my shears to cut any pieces that make the hairline look unnatural, or any pieces that couldn't really stick into the glue because it was, too far in front of the hairline. And basically, just cleaning up the area. So I'm just using a wig grip wrap to melt the lace, get those scalpy vibes, because that's just what I see on a lot of videos. So I just figured that it was a mandatory step. So I went ahead, put that on, and now I'm just securing the wig at the back to make sure it's not moving anywhere. So the rest of the video is pretty self-explanatory. It'll be me styling. I did the flat ironing part off camera because it was a little tedious because of the length of the hair. Oh, that looks good. But yeah, so just go ahead and watch me style it. I really should have left the front alone. If I would have, seen how good it looks just like this, I would have just did the part. But anyways, go ahead and watch me work. Y'all gonna have to excuse my friend. Excuse my friend. We've known each other since high school. She is hilarious. Like, that is probably the reason it took us hours to do this install, because us just catching up with time. And she's also having a baby, a little girl. So it's only right to, give her the pink wig today. Perfect timing to do this install. And for the part, I'm using the Ruby Kisses Cream Concealer in the colors 15. So that concludes this video. I really hope that you have enjoyed me installing this frontal. It takes time, so if you are discouraged about doing a frontal, don't be. It is time consuming. But anyways, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and look forward to my future uploads. Thank you.